Now it is time to record yourself reading your story. So take the latest version of your story, have it ready, and open up the assignment. You'll see something like this, okay, where it says, tell me your story. You can look at my story here. If you click on it, it's going to open up a picture of me, and then you can play me talking about my story.
The most exciting thing that has ever happened to me was at a salsa dance competition in Miami.
Okay, so that's how you can open and listen. But the most important thing for you to do right now is to add your own. So you're going to come over here to the X, add your own. So just like you saw I had a picture, you're going to add a picture, and then you're going to tell your story over the top of the picture. So when you hit add your own, you're going to say create a new voice thread. You're going to add media. So if you click here, you're going to use maybe your computer to upload a picture. You can choose a picture of yourself, just your face, or you can put a picture that somehow connects to your story. So if you want a swimming meet, maybe you could put a picture of people swimming. If you don't want to put yourself, that's fine. But from my computer, if you click on that, it lets you open up the files on your computer to pick a picture. So let's see. A wedding picture? Yeah, I'll put a wedding picture. And then click open. And it says to put a title. So for your title, I want you to put your name and story. So you could say, here, mine would be Erica's story. Yours might be Jade's story. Put your own name, right? And then click save. It takes a minute. You can see it processing here. Okay, and then from there, you highlight it, so see how it's blue, and then you're going to comment. Okay, so from here, it'll have your picture pop up, and then you're going to record. See where it says comment right here? You hit the plus sign, and we're doing an audio recording. So from your phone or from your computer, you can click this microphone, and it's going to start recording. 3, 2, 1, and then you read your story. Okay? After you're done, you click stop recording. I'm waiting, and then
you read your story. Okay?
So you can listen to it and see how it sounds. If you want to do it again, click cancel and do it again. And if you like it, click save. Okay? So that's all there is to it. Good luck.